That's how you get it done here at Kissimmee.
Hog hammers.
What a good hunting trip, huh, brother?
No shit.
Yeah? Give me that. We do it every time, don't we, baby? Was that fun hunting or what?
That's what you call hog hammers.
That's what you call hog hammers. Good hog hunting here at Kissimmee River hunting fish.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. How many hogs you reckon were there? Hell, I couldn't even get a count.
There was so many. It was just a big black blob. Do you think they'd come back now?
So we're going to wait. Well, folks, what we had to do here, we had so many daggum hogs right here. I was trying to figure out which one's Mr. Jim to shoot so he wouldn't take a big sow that was bred or one of the sows with the pigs or a damn teeth hog, because there was a big teeth hog in there. So this boar hog, I could see him good when he got on the road here. And Mr. Jim put the smack down on him with that hog hammer. So we're going to wait a little bit here and see what happens, brother. Well, folks, we pulled it off. Good time, wasn't it, my man?
Good time. 7:15, done. Hogs everywhere.
What an awesome hunt, guys. I hope y'all enjoy this video because it was pretty sweet to me. Good friend of mine, Mr. Jim Lee, hunted with us a couple years now. Every time he comes in here, he's a successful hunt. Appreciate it. Enjoy. That's some meat there, brother.
Oh yeah.
That's some meat there.
Yep. You see that little fucking
dude, did you see how many kept coming across?
He's still twisting.
Yeah, that's why I said keep it on. It looked like he broke his back. Folks, I couldn't turn the camera on to get this shot from Mr. Jim because I was having
damn excitement.
I was having to watch in the damn binoculars to make sure he got the right hog we needed, because there was some bred hogs standing there and then there was some poor sows there with pigs. So we finally got his shot, and we're looking at about 120 yards that he shot. My man, that was some outstanding shit right there.
Hell yeah. What an awesome squeezed.
So, here we are, folks. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, if it's close to it.
Turned it up to 2.5 power.
2.5 power?
Yeah.
And we got his meat hogs that he was looking for today. What'd you say, another wonderful day here at Kissimmee River hunting fish?
Another wonderful day at Kissimmee hunting fish. Damn right.
Woo!